Are you a network marketer, solopreneur, or small business owner who's really not posting on social media as much as you would like to? Maybe you're not doing it because you don't have the time, you just don't know how to do it. And you don't have the money to pay someone to do it, but you really want to do it. Well, if you answered yes to any of those questions, stick with me, keep watching because I've got something to show you that is just going to knock your socks off. And it's extremely affordable and fits just about any budget. Seriously. Hi, I'm Stan Shields, Marketing Automation Solutions. And do I have a great tool for you? Here's the challenge. You want to do more on social media, and you keep hearing about all of this AI and how it can help you, but how do you really do that? And you probably don't have the time to figure all that out. This tool I'm going to share with you today is going to save you a bunch of time, and it's going to save you a bunch of money, and it's going to make you look like a rock star. Without further ado, let's dive in and do a post. All right, now you can see my computer screen here. Take a look at this. We've got a few different options on here. We can say caption and suggested image, caption and my image. That means if you've got your own image that you want to use, and you could just do a short text only post. Or if you do videos on TikTok and Reels, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, whatever, you can caption the video here. AI will help you figure that out, help you figure out a great caption, okay? We're gonna ask it to give us a caption and a suggested image. And with that, you can see this is what pops up down below right here. We're gonna tell it to use MyAi profile and MyAi writing style. And so here's the beauty of this. AI has already learned who I am. It's my AI. So it's learned who I am so that it writes like me and it designs a post like me and so forth. Okay. And then I'm going to leave the rest of this stuff blank this time. We're going to come back and do another one in a little bit here. But this objective and business profile and tone and what do I want it to post about, I'm going to leave all of that blank. And I'm going to come up here to this really cool button that says surprise me. So I'm going to click this button and it is going to actually create a post and surprise me. I have no idea what to expect. Okay, here's my post. It says, dream big. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It took me years of hard work and determination to build my own business. But with the right mindset and the right tools, you can achieve your wildest dreams. Whether you're a solopreneur, network marketer, or micro business owner, my product can help automate your marketing and take your business to new heights. Dream. And so it gives a nice image that fits along with that dream and everything. So if I want to now post this over onto Facebook, I'm going to just click Get Started. It's going to come up and it's going to save this image for me. Once it saves the image, it's going to come over here and I just click this word post. And now it's going to go and open up my Facebook. So if I go to click on what's on my mind and I can just paste the text in that it created on that other page for me, I can go find that image that it found for me. And I'm going to just double click that image and put it inside of my post. And now all I have to do is click the word post and boom, my Facebook post is now in place. If I have Facebook pages, I'll just come over and log into my page and I am going to do the exact same thing here and post it in my page. I'm going to click post on this photo image here and I'm going to go pull up that same image and put that image in. And then I'm just going to click post. And so now it just posted it on my Facebook page as well. You notice I've got an Instagram button, LinkedIn, and Twitter, or X as it's known these days. So if I want to post to Instagram, I'm just going to click to get started. It's going to save that image for me. I'm going to post. It will open Instagram. I click on create. I'm going to grab my picture for Instagram from my computer. Here's my Instagram post. So I'm going to grab it, put it in. I'm going to click next. and I'm just going to paste the text that I got from my post. And then if I want, I can add some more hashtags to it, but I'm just going to post in the interest of time. So we're going to just share it. So that gives us our Instagram post. If I go back over to my Now Site platform, I click on LinkedIn, and I'm going to do the exact same things. It's going to save the image for me, but I'm just going to click on post. It's going to open my LinkedIn account, and then I just go up here to start a post, and I'm going to paste in the text that I have. I'm going to click on the photos, and I'm going to upload the photo. So we're going to use this one, and we're going to click next and post. And there's our LinkedIn post. If I go back to the Now Site platform, now I'm going to click on the X for Twitter. It's going to then do the same things. It saves the image. I click post. It'll take me over to Twitter, where I am then just going to post the text in right here. As you can see, this one's a little bit long, so I may need to do a little bit of editing right here. I'm just going to take out this, and we're going to leave that part in. We're going to just add the photo to it. So you just might need to edit it a little bit sometimes to make it fit. We're going to add the dream image, and we're going to post. And if I go back to my Now Site platform, now I've posted in these 4 places that the software has given me. But here's what's fun is LinkedIn is very similar to, it's very similar to Alignable. Okay, so I'm gonna tell it that I'm gonna post, but I'm not gonna go to LinkedIn. I'm actually going to go to Alignable. Okay, so if I go over to Alignable, I can do the exact same thing on Alignable. And if there are other platforms that I work on, I can go to those other platforms. So I can go here and say, start a discussion. I'm going to paste that text that I would have put over on LinkedIn, or I did put on LinkedIn. And here's my image. So I'm going to put it in, and it allows me to adjust the image and whatnot, but I don't really need to right there. And if I scroll down, it asks me what communities I want to post to. So I'm going to post to all these nearby communities, and I'm going to hit post. And so I can do this on a number of platforms, including, here's one that many of you probably aren't using, and that is Google My Business. I'm going to go to my Google My Business account, and you're probably not posting on a regular basis on your Google My Business platform, which you really should be. So I'm going to add an update, and I'm going to click here to add an update. I'm going to add that same description that I did over on Alignable. I'm going to click add photos, browse, and I'm going to find that dream photo. We're going to put it in here, and we're going to now post to my Google My Business profile. So, and we're going to just say done. Those have to be approved, so it'll come back at some point to tell me that it's been approved. But so I can use this to post in numerous platforms. Now, what I showed you there was a surprise me post, and so now it says surprise me again. But I don't really want to do a surprise me again. What I'm going to do this time is I can still do a caption and a suggested image, but I'm going to come down here and I'm going to ask it to give me a post that is maybe educating. And I want it to use my marketing automation guy business profile. And I'm going to tell it to give me a tone of friendly, professional, and excited. And I'm going to come down here. It says, what do you want to post about? And I'm going to say, small business tip using AI. And then if I go down a little bit more, I can just click on the button that says generate, and the system's going to generate a post for me. So here we go. It created this post for me called the Marketing Automation Guide post, boost your small business power with AI, learn how to automate your marketing efforts and reach much more customers effortlessly. Check out these small business tips using AI marketing strategies. I can then do the exact same things in terms of posting it on all of these same platforms. I'm not going to do that one for you right now today, but you saw how to do that already. If I don't like the image, I can click change the image and it will redo it, or I can find a different image. I can also use this editor button to say make it shorter, make it longer. If I said make it longer and then regenerate, it's going to then regenerate this post and give me something else that I could use. So you can kind of keep playing with it until you get the exact post that you love that you then want to put out on social media. Now, there's a ton more that you can do with this platform, but that's another day in another video. But right now, I just want you to take a quick look at what some others have to say about MyAI.
Okay guys, I'm so excited to announce that I'm creating my first post on social media with a software called NowSite, artificial intelligence. It's doing everything for me, from helping with my newsletters, writing my emails, sending out my podcast information, all of this stuff. And they've launched some new features where for influencers or network marketers or people promoting their products and services online, especially like solopreneurs or people starting their own personal brands, we can post now and it creates everything automatically. So it's a great tool. You know me, I have a lot of familiarity with different CRM systems. I've implemented Zoho, I worked for Salesforce, and now I'm using NowSite AI. It's really awesome.
You're telling me that I now get to spend more time with the people, physically with the people. And now I can just quickly create my picture, create a few sentences, talk to my app real quick and tell it what I want them to post. And it's gonna come up with a caption and everything for every site. So now I can post every 3 to 4 hours. So now I'm going from 1%, less than 1% of my audience seeing me, to 10% of my audience seeing me, because I'm not afraid to put a post out there, because I don't have to have no fancy cars. I don't have to do no fly photo shoot. I just got to be consistent. I'm telling you all right now, we are about to have our biggest financial year in 2024.
There's a link down in the description that will tell you more about this platform. Just follow the whatisnowsite.net link and you'll get tons more information and the ability to sign up if you'd like to. If you have questions, feel free to call, text, or email me. The info is in the description.